Hello everyone, in this episode of Smart Life we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price and more. I've included options for every type of buyer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for a new phone that you would like to switch to, then you can agree with me that getting the right one can, at times, be expensive. Today we'll guide you through the best Boost mobile phones in the market. Number 1, most popular. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is one of the best Boost mobile compatible phones. Comes with an IP68 certified smartphone that is both water and dust resistant, and both the glass back and front glass are Gorilla Glass 6 protected. It comes with a dynamic AMOLED of 6.4 with a high resolution of 1440 x 3040 pixels with an always-on display to enjoy clear and sharper images as you stream. It comes with an Exynos 9820 chipset with an octa-core processor to enjoy fast and smooth mobile operations. Number 2. Apple iPhone XS. The smartphone comes with both the glass front and back glass is made of Gorilla Glass and has an IP68 rated smartphone to withstand any harsh conditions. It comes with a Super Retina OLED screen of 5.8 with high resolution, and it is scratch resistant with an oleophobic coating. You can store your files and documents on your phone as it comes with an internal storage of 256GB 4GB RAM to access them remotely anytime. It comes with a dual rear camera of 12MP each and a dual selfie camera to capture stunning photos and videos on your adventures. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It comes with a dynamic AMOLED screen of 6.3 with high resolution to see clear and sharper images. The smartphone is an IP68 certified product as it is both dust and water resistant to sustain any harsh weather conditions. It comes with an S Pen that has Bluetooth integration, an accelerometer, and a gyroscope to jot down notes while in a meeting. The S Pen's unique thing is that once you remove it from the plug-in, it immediately opens a notepad that you can write a reminder of something so that you can't forget. Number 4. Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Every Boost mobile lover can enjoy their favorite TV shows on Netflix or Hulu as it comes with a Super Retina XDR OLED screen of 5.8 with 1125 x 2436 pixels. The screen is scratch resistant with an oleophobic coating and a 120Hz touch sensing, so no delays as you navigate around. The device runs on iOS 13 that's upgradable to iOS 13.5 and works smoothly with the Apple A13 Bionic processor and a hexa-core processor for smooth mobile operations. It comes with an internal storage of 64GB so that your files and documents can access easily. Number 5. Google Pixel 2 64GB. It is an IP67 rated smartphone with a glass front of Gorilla Glass 5 to withstand any harsh conditions or weather. It comes with an AMOLED screen of 5.0 with a resolution of 1080 x 1920 pixels to enjoy clear and sharper as you stream your favorite TV show. You can store your favorite music and photos as it comes with an internal storage of 64GB, and you can access them remotely. It comes with a single rear camera of 12.2MP so that you can capture stunning videos and photos.
For more details, click the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.